Good morning, here we are again for another video. This time we are going to learn the expression I would like a bone. The dog is thinking. Okay, let's see. Imagine the following situation. Let's see the different uses of like. Situation number 1. What do you like? So this kid says, I like chocolate, or I like to eat chocolate, which is another option. You know the use of like to express exactly that, what you like. Or I like eating chocolate. Remember that this is a little different from British English and American English, but basically they are expressing the same. Situation number 2. When you want to express what you want. So this girl says, Mommy, I want to eat spaghetti or pasta. I want spaghetti. I want to eat spaghetti. Now, imagine the same situation. You want to express what you want, but you are at a restaurant. I want sounds in this context a little impolite, childish, not very adequate for the situation. Yes, sounds like as if you were a child. The correct expression would be, I would like a cup of coffee, please. Or I would like to drink a cup of coffee, please. Yes, that would be fine. So, would like would be something very, very similar to want, but more polite. If you want a comparison in Spanish, it would be gustaría. So, you use would like to express your desires or your wishes. Jane would like a cup of coffee. Option 2, with the verb. Jane would like to drink a cup of coffee. Nice. So, this is what you have to remember. You can use would like and the noun, or would like to and the verb. Let's practice just a couple of sentences to fix the idea. Jane would like a wedding. With the verb, Jane would like to get married. One more with Jane. What is she thinking about? Jane would like a job. And she would like to have a job. Nice. Okay, pay attention to this. We can use the contraction of would. Would is an auxiliary, so in general we can contract it in speaking or in informal writing, not in formal letters. So the first example, I would like to travel. Now we'll make it small. I'd like. When people speak, this is a little difficult to detect if you are a beginner, but pay attention. I'd like to travel. I'd. Obviously, you can use it with any pronoun. She would like to go to the beach. She'd like to go to the beach. We would like to visit Disney. Yeah. We'd like. I'm exaggerating. People don't speak like this in real life. So, second thing to remember, you can contract it. Okay, you want to form the question. What do we do in English for questions? Always the sandwich. So, we put the person in the middle. We have the auxiliary would, like. So, when you ask someone, ¿te gustaría? The question goes, Would you like? And the answer needs the auxiliary. Yes, I would. Oh yes, please, which is communicatively more natural. So, remember for the interrogative, would you like? Now, what about the negative? Really? School today? If I had the choice, she would not like to go to school. Would not. Yes, as usual, the not goes next to the auxiliary. So, more natural. Wouldn't. She wouldn't like to go to school. Is it something desirable to be sick? Nah. She would not like to be sick. She wouldn't. Nice. So the third thing to remember when you want to make the negative, would not together. And obviously the contracted form, wouldn't. Okay, wouldn't. Let's practice a couple of slides to practice. That's a typical problem. I would like to lose some kilos, but I wouldn't like to stop eating. Would you like to see a nutritionist? Another situation. He would like to have a big house, but he wouldn't like a small one. Would he like to get married? We don't know. One more. She would like to marry Tom. She wouldn't like to marry any other man. Would Tom like to marry her? Why is this useful? If you say one small coffee, they charge you $5. If you say one small coffee please, they charge you $3. But if you are polite and you say, hello, I would like one small coffee please, the price is much cheaper. It's what they want to show is that you have to be polite. Okay, good luck. I hope you have understood. See you next time.